Okay. Soap in a microwave. Lights off. It's spinning. It's not doing nothing. I hear it sizzling.
There it goes.
Is it really? Oh my god. It's spawning the son of Satan. Oh, it smells real soapy. The room's starting to smell better. Yeah, my mom just cleaned this microwave too. Oh! Whoa! Here, should we stop it?
It's up to you.
Oh god, it looks like mashed potatoes. Whoa! Oh my god!
Maybe you should stop it.
Okay. What? It smells like freaking soap. Oh my god, I'm putting it back in. Hit. This stuff smells, folks. Do not do this. This looks like a big pile of white dog shat.
Yes, it does.
Oh my god. Oh, it's starting to overflow. Oh, dang, that freaking stinks. Oh. Here, hold the camera. I had some diarrhea. Ow! 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 Oh. Oh.
Running under some water.
The soap and water. Here, take the camera again. That's kind of hot. Dang! The quilted quick picker upper bounty.
Probably get sued for that.
Well, it's all hard now.
It's like it turned back into animal fat.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, we better get rid of this before my mom comes home. Did you stop it? You didn't shut it?